Hey, my name is Kaleef Williams, and I'm a dad of three beautiful daughters. One thing I learned is that money isn't just about how much you make, it's about how you use it. Most people make the mistake of chasing income, but never learn ways to invest money wisely. Here's the truth: investing doesn't always mean throwing money into the stock market or real estate you can't afford. Wise investing starts with clarity, knowing exactly what you want your money to do for you. When I was broke, every dollar felt like survival. But when I shifted my mindset, I started using money differently. I invested in knowledge first because when you know better, you do better. I invested in systems that let me create daily income online instead of trading time for dollars. And I invested in consistency because money grows where focus goes. So if you're asking, what's the best way to invest money wisely? The answer is simple. Start with yourself, then put your money into vehicles that multiply your time, not just your bank account. If you're ready to see exactly how I set this up, I'll drop the link below. Check it out because the earlier you start investing wisely, the sooner your money starts working for you instead of the other way around. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor. Go ahead and hit subscribe. Drop your biggest money question in the comments. And when you're ready, the link is below to see how this system works for you.